In this video, you will see how to register and confirm your account, as well as how to top up your balance. When we open the website, we see a lot of options. But first, we need to click the Sign In button in the upper right corner. I don't have an account, so I will use the form on the right to create it. It is important to use real email address, because it will be used to verify your account and to contact support. Then I enter my password and hit Sign Up. Sometimes you need to verify that you are not a robot. Now we need to check our email and find a message with the confirmation link. If it's not in the inbox, check the spam folder. Sometimes the message may come in Russian, but all we have to do is click on the link. Now we need to log into the account with email and password and top up the balance. Look again in the upper right corner, click Balance and then top up the balance. Here we can see all available payment options. If you are in doubt which one to use, choose Stripe. Enter the payment amount and you will see how much money will be actually credited to the account. Now click on this button and it opens the payment system page, where we enter the card details. Sometimes it can take a couple of hours to process the payment. And when the funds finally arrive, we can start ordering numbers.